It's a beautiful day to go ride in the sand. Going away. Give the camera a wave. Oh, yes, as you're extra enthusiastic. Smile, Glenn.
I am.
Here we go. Hello, my darling.
Hey, how you, man?
All right, thanks.
Okay, good to see you.
Yeah. Well done. You've had a bit of practice on this one, eh? Last time with this Marco, had a problem with this rat, and I had a really good laugh. Sketchy. Getting very hot.
Huh?
Yeah, all the layers must come off.
Everyone here?
Yeah.
Huh?
If I tell Ken just to strip, it's probably the wrong thing.
There you go, 7 up. France, Marco and Glenn are still out there. We made it just in time. Sun's going down. There's a risk of certain things, but yeah, I wouldn't want to live
To the island?
Yeah.
But about like a customer on the
And firewater.
Good morning, Africa.
pump stopped working after putting 2 liters in, so now we have to change pumps. Drop the tire pressure. Yeah, boy.
The babies.
Nice. How's the sand, boys?
Lovely.
Liar.
This is the Karma. What did France call me just now after that sand section we done?
I need a hand. Oh yeah? Now what? Good luck turning around here. That forest is fucking, yeah. We are smiling, kind of.
We're all smiling.
This is what happened to the last guys that were riding out here. Yeah, his name was Jeff. Another breather. We're yet to see the water. Another 17 kilometers of this, at least. We made it, France.
All the way to Lake Siyiba. And a bit of sand.
And a bit of sand. Right, 20 k's left of sand roads around the lake, and then lunchtime.
Putting us on Instagram.
Is this yours?
So what have we got here?
Thanks.
Lunch.
Did you make this for me?
Yeah.
Baked beans, white bread, knickknacks. Sorted.
This is to symbolize, I hope we make it. Straight through.
When I smell food like that. Alright, how are you? Oh, look at all the work they've gone to for us. Did you organise this table?
One tequila for her.
Huh?
So, hey?
Did you organise this table for us?
Did you do anything illegal today?
Are you shitting me? You found ice cream? I can't believe it. Do you want me to carry it for you?
Just stepped out, and it hits a rock, and it put a hole in the side, and see, and then it was
Goodbye, bush camp. Got to pay to pee. Now that looks like fun. Looks like a gladiator could climb out of there and eat you.
No, let's go. Let's get to the freeway and then go.
Yeah. So I hit the only rock. Piece of concrete probably within 100 kilometers of here. Yeah. Down again. Hello, forest.
I could have put
anywhere.
And now there's only 2 of us left.
Done.